let's start with the next chapter, that is fractions. Now what is a fraction? Equal parts of the whole object. A fraction is when you are dividing a whole object into equal parts. Now a fraction has a numerator and a denominator. So in the numerator, how many fraction pieces you have, and in the denominator, how many equal fraction pieces altogether. For example, in this pizza you can see, so this whole is one whole. Now it has been divided into half. So one half has been eaten by someone or taken by someone, and the other half is left with you. So one that is left with you will come on top, that is the numerator, and how many parts it has been divided into? 2 parts. So below will come 2. So you can write either half or 1 by 2. Now equal parts of a set of objects. So fraction is also the equal parts of a set of objects. For example, you can see there are 4 cookies over here. You gave 2 to your friend. So now this 2 belongs to your friend and this 2 are with you. So how many parts are you having now? That is 2 by 4. So 2 will come in the numerator and 4 will come in the denominator. So now in fractions, always remember that for the denominator we are using the ordinal numbers like 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and whenever it's 1 by 2 we can say half also. So other words that can be introduced in fractions are half, quarter, etc. So fractions are basically equal parts of the whole. Now a fraction is divided into 2 parts, the numerator and the denominator. So the top number is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. Now in a fraction, the numerator shows how many parts we have and the denominator shows the total number. So the numerator is the number of parts being thought of, that is the top number. For example, 1 by 6 or 1/6. So 1 is the numerator over here, and denominator is the number of equal parts of the whole is divided into the bottom number, that is this 6. So always remember that denominator is always said in ordinal numbers, like this is 1/6. Numerator, the top digit represents the part of the whole, and denominator, the bottom represents the whole. So 1 by 4, or it's even 1/4 or quarter. Now 2 by 5, so 2/5. So 2 is the numerator and 5th is the denominator. So here for example, if there is a pizza which has 5 slices, so out of this 2 slices has been eaten by your friend. So how many slices are left with you? So out of 5, 3 slices are left with you. 3 by 4th. So here also there is a pizza over here. Now it has been divided into equal parts, 4 equal parts. So 1 slice has been eaten by you. So how many slices are left for your friends now? 1, 2 and 3. So 3/4. 3/5. Here again 3/5. So 3 is the numerator and 5th is coming below, so it's the denominator. 1/4. Again 1 is the numerator, 4th is the denominator. Now there are some fraction words which you need to remember, like 1 whole unit. Now as you can see over here, this whole block, that is the rectangle block, is 1 whole. Now it has been divided into 2 equal parts, so this becomes half. Now further, this is again divided into 3 equal parts. So from this 1 whole, it has been divided into 3 equal parts and 1 part has been shaded. So it becomes 1/3. Now once again, this whole part has been divided over here in 4 equal parts and 1 part is shaded. So this is called 1/4 or 1/4. And again, this whole part has been divided into 5 equal parts and one part is shaded, so this becomes 1/5. So all of you remember whole, half, third, quarter, fifth are the new words that you're coming across in fractions. Again over here, there is a circle over here. This is a whole pizza, you can say. Now this is one whole pizza. Now this one whole pizza is first divided into half. So it becomes 1/2. So one is shaded, the other is unshaded. So we are looking at the shaded parts now. Now over here, 1/4 or 1/4 or quarter. So here it has been divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So it is called 1/4. Now here also 1/4 it has been divided into. Now here also this whole pizza is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded. So it is called 3/4. Now over here there is a rectangle over here. It has been divided into 3 equal parts and one part is shaded. So the answer will be 1/3. Similarly over here, now you can see this rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 parts. So it comes in the denominator. Now how many parts are shaded? 1 and 2. So 2 parts are shaded. Now over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here you can see that 4 parts are shaded. 12 comes in the bottom, that is the denominator, and how many parts are shaded? 4 parts are shaded. So it becomes 4/12. Now addition in fractions. Denominators you don't need to add. You're adding only the numerators. For example, this is 1/5 plus 2/5. So over here you need to add only 1 and 2. For example, 1/5 is equal to 2/5. Now what we have done over here to avoid confusion, what we can do is we can write this like this: 1 plus 2 divided by 5, so that you don't add again and again 5. So 1 plus 2 divided by 5. So the answer is 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3/5 is the answer. Similarly, let's do some practice of addition. Now 2/5 plus 2/5. So again over here, denominators, you don't need to add the denominators. You will add only the numerators. So let's make the denominators common. So 2 plus 2 divided by 5. So the answer is 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4/5 is the answer, or 4/5 is the answer. 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4. Again over here the denominators are common. So you don't need to add the denominators. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2/4 is the answer. 3/5 plus 2/5. Now here again we have to just add the numerators and we will not touch the denominators at all. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 divided by 5, or 5/5. Now 1/3 plus 1/3. So here again the denominators will remain the same, and you will add the numerators. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2/3 is the answer. Now let's learn about subtracting in fractions. So now in addition also, we did not touch the denominators. The denominators were remaining as it is and we just added the numerators. Similarly in subtraction also, here we will not touch the denominators at all. We will just subtract the numerators. For example, 3/7 minus 2/7. Here again 7 will remain as it is in the denominator and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1/7 is the answer. 5/6 minus 3/6. So here again 6 will remain as it is in the denominator and 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2/6 is the answer. 4/5 minus 1/5. So here again 5 will remain as it is in the denominator and 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3/5 is the answer. So now in this fractions you have learned about the whole, parts, the numerator, the denominator, addition in fractions and subtractions in fractions. So start doing the exercises to understand better.